All right, let's talk about it because everyone has been asking me, Jess, do you pay for ChatGPT? And the answer is no, I don't. And really, you might not need to either. Hey, I'm Jess, the maker and small business owner behind Script and Grain and the founder of The Modern Maker, a free online community on Facebook that helps laser and CNC owners use technology to work smarter, not harder, in their small businesses too. So today I'm breaking down what you actually get with the free version of ChatGPT, why it's more than enough for small businesses on a budget, and how you can still access top-tier AI tools without paying OpenAI a single dime. Okay, so let's break it down real quick. The paid version, ChatGPT Plus, runs on GPT-4, which is more advanced, gives longer responses, and handles more complex tasks. It also gets priority during high traffic times. So if you're using ChatGPT a lot, this could be a game changer. But do you really need it? For small business owners, especially makers, the free version of ChatGPT, which runs on GPT 3.5, is plenty powerful. It can still help you write product descriptions, brainstorm ideas, draft social media captions, create customer responses, and even help with workflow, organization, and really establishing it too. And best of all, it is free. So ChatGPT, the free version, is really a goldmine for small businesses. If you're running a small business and wear all those hats with marketing, sales, customer service, even accounting sometimes, and having ChatGPT in your back pocket for free is a game changer. If you're running a small business, then you wear all the hats, and I get that. Marketing, sales, customer service, even accounting sometimes, right? And having a tool like ChatGPT in your back pocket for free, nonetheless, is such a game changer. Here are some things that you can do with just the free version. You can generate unique product descriptions that actually sell. You can brainstorm social media content so you never run out of ideas. Write engaging emails that you can send to customers. You can get help crafting the perfect SEO-friendly Etsy listings and website listings, and even automate repetitive responses. Let's be real. If you can get all of this without paying a cent, then why rush to upgrade? All right, now here's the real hack. If you do want to access GPT-4 and don't want to pay OpenAI directly, there are platforms like Magai that exist that bring together and bundle up multiple AI models, including ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, and you can get all the image and video content as well with Runway and Ideogram and Leonardo. It's all there in one platform for you, so you don't need to go to endless websites. So instead of paying $20 a month for ChatGPT Plus, you might access several AI tools in one place for around the same price or less, depending on the plan. That means that you're not just getting one AI assistant, but a whole suite of smart tools to help you run your business. And honestly, if I were to pay for anything, it would probably be just that, because getting more tools for the same price or less is just smart business. Let me just dive in and show you a quick sneak peek and behind the scenes of what Magai can do for you. Once you log into Magi, you'll get this as your dashboard. Over here, you'll have a bunch of different items that you can choose from. You can quickly start a new chat, generate an image, and even return to previous chats that you already started. You'll have some announcements over here, and the Facebook group is so valuable because Dustin is the engineering mastermind behind this, and he often posts what updates as soon as they happen and how he incorporates them as well, which is amazing for support. So over on the dashboard, you have your chats, which can be organized into different folders. You can have your images saved, which I've really just been playing around with for my daughter's birthday and events coming up. Different prompts. Now, this is very valuable because when you go from chat to chat, you can save certain prompts so that there's consistency among them. So for me, I summarized my brand voice and would open up a new chat if it's related to my business and copy and paste to let them know this is what I'm supposed to sound like, this is how I want to deliver myself, and this is how I really want to warm up to people that I don't know. The saved prompts is amazing. Personas. Now, Magai actually comes with a whole bunch of personas, which I'll show you in a minute, but you can also tweak them to be molded more into what you need them for. Workspaces and team isn't something I've gotten into since I'm a solopreneur, but is something I would totally utilize in the future if I had other members set up. So let's head back to the dashboard. I'm going to click Start a New Chat just so you can see what it looks like from my end. As you can see, it's a blank screen. It says, just like ChatGPT, start typing, but here's the cool part. It naturally defaults to GPT 4.0, but you can click on that. And guys, these are all the different LLMs that you can pick from. You don't have to just use ChatGPT. There is differences among all of them, and they are all text-based when it comes to chat, but you can also switch within a chat to use other LLMs as well. I'm going to leave it at ChatGPT 4.0 for now. And here is the other cool part. Right next to that is the personas. Right now it says assistant. I can start to type and search for different personas, but these personas, guys, are all built into Magai. There are some fun ones. There's some serious ones. I think my favorite is towards the bottom here. I think I saw a rapper right here, a rapper. So it really allows you to bring some personality and perspectives into what you might be utilizing them for. So this right here alone has been wonderful. Over here, you can save your chats, you can save your prompts, you can import your prompt like the one that I had with my brand voice, and you can change the details about the chat information in order to save it or to save it to a folder. So I have like a marketing folder, and I have a laser education folder, business strategy. That's where my goals go. All of these have different topics that I use ChatGPT for. All right, heading back to the dashboard, you can also click generate an image. And when you click on that, here's the latest one that I created. You'll type your prompt as detailed as possible over here, and then you can choose from all of these different models. The coolest part is they're not just images. They can be text to video, image to video. I have a lot of still headshots that I've been using that I thought would be a little bit more dramatic if I actually turned it into a video. So I've been using that too. I can access my library, and you can see, a lot of these are by requests and just playing around to see what it can do. Different headshots with the background. These were all still video or still pictures. I'll just click on one that actually turned out to be animated. There is even some editing features that you can see here that you can modify your pictures as well. And then all you would need to do is head to the menu in order to download, rerun the generation, and more. So those are the very basics of Magai and what I have been using it. Now, I have not done the AI Academy yet. I'm hoping for a little bit more time to really dive in, but I know that this tool is more powerful than what I signed up for. So definitely take the time and check it out, and hopefully you'll enjoy Magai too. So should you pay for ChatGPT? Honestly, if you're just getting started, probably not. The free version does a ton, but unless you're maxing it out every single day, you can run a thriving maker business without spending a dime. Also, what I mentioned before, when you're first starting out with ChatGPT, it takes about 8 to 10 hours for GPT to really understand your tone, your brand, and thoroughly about you. So I would use the free version to build up until it understands you a little bit more thoroughly before investing and actually purchasing the AI tool. But if you are ready to invest, I'd say look into the third-party tools like Magai that give you more bang for your buck. Let me know in the comments, do you use ChatGPT for your business? And are you on the free plan or the upgraded plan? Be sure to join the Modern Community on Facebook, where you can access a free 10-page PDF guide on getting started with ChatGPT, as well as different challenges every month, and also different software and platforms that can help your business. I hope to see you there. And if you want more AI tips for makers, be sure to hit that follow and subscribe button because I have a lot more coming your way to help your business grow.